Worst filmographer ever.
Alright, today we're going to teach you how to swap out the intake.
No, I'm going to teach myself, and then hopefully they learn something from me learning.
On a Honda S2000. So the first thing you're going to need to do is there's a black little protector right here. Take out these bolts and take that off. Next thing you're going to want to do is jack your car up.
That's not really necessary.
It's not really necessary. Then you're going to want to get your socket kit out.
Are you TJ Hunt now?
I figured you were TJ Hunt.
Not white.
So this car takes an 8mm wrench. So obviously go ahead and get one of those out. And you're going to start right up here where he was trying to get it off and take it off.
Where the hell is the 8? Cut. This is weird. It's not done yet. Got one. You should tell them about your FRS.
So obviously you can see the S2K is a bitch-made car.
Oh hell no!
If you want to see some real videos, I'm gonna insert a couple links here on the left. Just go ahead and click those. Sub to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
Actually, a really nice observation you made is that only old people drive these cars.
How's that a nice observation?
Because I'm not old. I was gonna text you when I saw an old person driving an FRS. Like the first time I ever saw someone older than me driving an FRS.
Did I tell you I saw a guy with a FRS that his license plate was like senpai with a 1 instead of an I?
Oh, that's nice. Sweet. Was he going to an anime convention?
He was stalling out his car on the hill above me. Wasn't really that surprised.
So he just got the car, basically.
Yep. So as you know, most S2Ks are driven by elderly men. Most of their transmission's going to be automatic. They're probably going to be completely stock. Maybe, I don't know, a color.
Modifying it hurts the value, man.
That old people like. I don't know, like red.
Modifying it hurts the value.
So, to retain this car's value, we are modifying it.
I need to register it. That's the only reason I'm modifying it.
Is it insured and everything already?
No.
Good, just checking. So as you can see, he's doing a terrible job of explaining, but you got a little bolt right in there that connects the bumper to about the quarter panel. Gonna need to take both of those off each side.
How many views do you think I'm gonna get?
S2Ks?
Yeah, how many views?
Oh, views?
Yeah.
I'll give you one.
Sweet, man. Thanks. Sub to Dave's channel.
You wanna go ahead and call out his channel name right now?
I don't know his channel name, if I'm honest.
Pretty sure it's Project Panda 13 or something like that.
Very nice.
JC will insert a link right here on the right.
I need to invest in power tools.
Yeah?
Do you have power tools?
I thought your company might. We sold our division of power tools. Oh wait, you just mean at my house?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got power tools at my house.
Are you sponsored by power tools?
Yeah. I'd like to go ahead and take this time to say that we are sponsored by Nitto Tires. Driven by enthusiasts. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Jay-Z is still attempting to take these bolts out.
Dude, it's gonna take forever. I need the bigger wrench. It's too hard. My hands are too soft. Hashtag when you have soft, supple hands.
You know, normally when people put different heads on it, they call out, you know, I'm using a 8mm wrench.
No one needs to know how to take a bumper off. Only me.
So if you don't need to learn how to take a bumper off, go ahead and skip to about, I don't know, 20 minutes into this video. We'll put a button right at the center of the video. Just go ahead and click that button if you don't need to see how to take the bumper off.
Yeah, no one needs to see how to do the bumper.
For those of you who are still here, here's how you continue taking the bumper off.
This sucks. I need power tools big time.
Old and busted. New hotness. Old and busted. New hotness. What we're running here today, what we're putting in, I don't think he's told you. It is a hashtag 20 series P2K. It can be used on Honda S2000s, as you can see. It's got a cubic airflow of about 3. It's pretty good.
First day.
Pretty sure I can get, I don't know, 30 extra horsepower out of this.
You gotta tell them about the MPGs.
So if you're looking for MPGs, not entirely sure why you buy an S2K. But if you want to be loud as anything going down the road, and for everyone to think you're an old man, this is the car for you. Oh, showed my VIN right there. Gonna need to block that out later.
This is my VIN.
Please don't. Please don't dox me.
Don't swat me, bro. Don't swat me. What's nice about this is I can sit down. It's pretty nice.
Also, you're gonna need to be pretty beefed for this. As you can see, you wore a shirt 3 sizes too small.
Nero. This car has Yokohamas, by the way.
Would you like to give a shout out to Yokohama?
Shout out to Yokohama for making me buy my own tires. Because they did not give me any rebates.
Yeah, if you could go ahead and sponsor us, Yokohama. Really appreciate that.
What? Should also add a gratuitous amount of zoom in, zoom out, zoom in time. Yeah.
What? Just in case you're missing, whoa!
Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out.
For those of you who are still watching, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, I'm just gonna dub this over and have a bunch of time lapses, so it's gonna be sick.
Oh, yeah, this is the part where we're gonna super speed it up and just get to the very end. So in reality, this takes about, I don't know, 12, 13 hours, but for our video, we need to make it 10 minutes to make YouTube happy.
You know.
It's still pretty bright outside right now. Later on, we'll be turning on the work lights, just so you know that it took a long time. So what we got here is some
PV blaster, dude.
Some WD-40.
Give us some zoom in, zoom out.
Wow, this does not have autofocus.
Zoom in, zoom out.
Well, it doesn't autofocus.
You have to half click this for.
Why?
Zoom in, zoom out, man.
Whoa! Also not sponsored by them.
Oh, dude. This isn't gonna be in the video, but we got a CNC machine at work. I don't know why the hell we need a CNC machine though.
I don't know why the hell you wouldn't leave that in the video. Thought it was going to be some personal information that they could come find you with, but apparently not.
Someone comes across this video, you got a CNC machine at work?
That's weird. My company just got a CNC machine.
Yeah, dude, CNC machine is sick. I got big plans for this car. Have you seen my big brake kit? This is accurate on them.
So what he's doing now, if we can get a little view down here, he's got some clips down here.
Oh, check out this sweet mod that I found on my S2000.
Honda builds very, very good cars. Tight tolerances, everything.
I need to change this out. That's not supposed to happen. On highway speeds, this does not sound the greatest.
It's okay, the intake will take care of that. And the exhaust. Once you make the exhaust loud enough, you won't even hear it.
Oh yeah. Oh. I forgot gloves.
Remember, if you're under the age of 18, don't try this at home.
Don't sue us, bro. Don't dox us. Dude, you should definitely dress up as the Don't Taste Me for one day. Bring back the retro memes.
How do you dress up as that? Just wear normal clothes.
How many people would understand? Oh, you're the Don't Taste Me, bro.
Feel like, dude, you found me.
Don't tase me. Oh, what the hell's that?
Was that another mod you put in there?
No. The paper and that was not. I don't know, man. This is what happens when you buy a car from a retiree. Finishes his Twinkie and just leaves it in the engine bay. Oh, I guess that doesn't really help the trend that you see of old people owning this car.
Doesn't.
So here's the weird part. I got a WD-40 my bumper.
So obviously, since this is owned by an old person, just as an old person, it doesn't move very well anymore.
Holy fuck! Oh my god. That's one side. Oh! So scary, right?
I just want to make a call out. You also might want to do this in a well-ventilated area, because it
Smells like trash.
smells straight up like a garage now.
We're professionals. This is a garage. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And so easily, it just slips right off.
Like a glove.
Welcome back, viewers that skipped to this part of the video since you already knew how to take off your bumper.
I'm pretty happy with myself. I'm gonna put on gloves now.
Again, we condone none of the actions in this video. Try at your own risk.
Jesus.
Welcome back. Now that our friend has his gloves on, he is going to remove the bolts that are right up there.
The clips.
Clips. We are not sponsored by Mac, and Mac gonna talk some hard trash right now, so see a Mac ad right after this. I'm sorry. One, complete waste of money. Just like your S2K.
Damn. Ouch.
Two, yet again, everyone's gonna make fun of you, because like an old person, you have a Mac.
Yeah, I don't know how to compute.
Yeah. What games you play on that, bro?
I play, nothing.
Yeah, that's all the games they support right there.
They have Lego Star Wars. And, on special days, you know, on the Google homepage, they have games there. Did you play this Halloween one? It's pretty sweet.
So Black Friday just came around. This guy has no excuse why he didn't just go out and get another PC.
Because I have a Mac.
So what you need to do, go download a Windows emulator.
I have one.
Well, then you can play Human Fall Flat with us.
Oh yeah, I need a Steam account too though.
It literally takes 2 seconds to make and it's free.
Oh, I have Arma.
How do you have Arma but not Steam?
I lied to you, I actually have Steam.
We also picked up Overcooked 2.
That's also... These are all games that Achievement Hunter plays.
Okay, so? Maybe they play good games.
They do play good games, and I'm kind of... I'm cool with your taste in games, dude. I'm learning a lot about you.
If you'd like to add me on Steam.
I thought you just played Fortnite and dabbed everywhere.
So this might be me getting old. Went to go get some Halloween costumes.
Ooh, are there Fortnite costumes?
Yes.
Oh, man!
Entire section dedicated to Fortnite.
You know what won Game of the Year?
So back in my day, they had this game before Fortnite. Well, actually, it's been a long chain.
Called Counter-Strike?
They had, well, yes, but they first had DayZ.
I played DayZ.
That was an old game.
I was too scared to log in because I didn't want to lose all my stuff.
And then they had PUBG, which introduced a very popular mechanic that every game is copying now. They took Fortnite, which was an already established game.
Yeah, it's not the game that used to be.
So,
oh yeah. Spicy meats. This is some sort of sport bar.
So right there, what you have is an unnecessary piece. You will not need to put that back in. It is just waste of weight.
Yeah, the engineers didn't know what they were doing. Trust me, I'm an engineer. This, I got a new one.
So we don't need that. Look at that. That's gross. That's old.
We're gonna cut this one up, or we're gonna cut the other one up. Be right back. I gotta get the rest of the intake. See ya.
Gonna go ahead and take this time to vlog. Obviously, today we.
I brought another one. What's up, dude? I don't.
So what's that in your right and left hand?
This is the intake. This is the piece.
So we have the intake and the piece, which we will be installing.
Not to be confused with this piece.
Yeah. See, old and busted, new hotness.
This one had holes in it.
As opposed to this one that
I taped up all the holes.
it's gonna hurt your weight, but the amount of gains you're gonna get from those being taped, it'll probably balance out.
That goes there. Oh man, the other piece is still there. Damn it. Be right back.
Alright, back to my vlog. So, obviously, great day outside. Sun's shining. Birds out there. We in here working on a car. Yeah, it's community day. Can't wait for you to watch this video.
This video?
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Damn it.
Is there another piece upstairs?
No. But I have to figure out how to cut this to this.
Oh, so you're gonna make holes in it.
Yeah, these holes, unnecessary. Gotta make my own holes.
I hope you have some sort of power tools for that.
I'm gonna use scissors.
Guess we're making a trip to AutoZone.
It'll be just like the first time we worked on cars. Be right back. Got all the screws.
Back to the show. So what we're gonna do today is prank my friend. Oh no, here he comes, here he comes.
I'm gonna love the footage.
So what you're gonna want to do is start up the car now. and make sure it's working.
Take it straight to the limiter.
Yep, you're gonna go ahead and wanna schedule some track time. Go ahead, take it out to the track. Leave the hood up the entire time. That really helps with your vision.
Well, it helps with the airflow.
Oh, your battery's getting low.
Oh man, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a backup camera.
You have a backup camera instead of a backup battery?
Oh.
Huh.
Huh. Didn't think that through.
Yeah. To date this video right now, we have 10 subs. Go ahead and hit that sub button. We're trying to get 100 likes on this video.
I told Liz I was going to do a giveaway at 50 subs, and she was like, "You're an idiot." And then I decided not to do a giveaway at 50 subs.
How many subs do you have right now?
44.
Damn, dude. How many of those are your accounts?
None, surprisingly.
I saw your 50 bumpers that you have in your house. Any for sale?
No, they're all mine. Can't believe you'd ask me.
Also, before you do any work, you want to make sure that you disconnect your battery from the car, as leaving it plugged in can obviously cause electrical shocks. So it's a good thing that we went ahead and left it on the charger, completely hooked up to the car. That couldn't go wrong.
No comment.
What you need on this is one of those little flip-out screens.
Yeah, I know, but it's an older model.
Guess we can't get that till we hit 50 subs.
Yeah. Then I'll give away that camera.
For everyone that is interested, this is a Nokia 42G Turbo. Smart.
Smash that like button. 10,000 subs. 10,000 likes equals giveaway. God damn it. We should have done this in your garage, dude.
Yeah, I figured as much. Here's the problem though. You made it undrivable, so you would probably have to tow it to my house.
Good point.
Mm-hmm.
Fair statement.
In all honesty though, I like your new intake.
Thanks, dude.
Can't believe you got a scratch on it already.
It came like that.
This part of the video is sponsored by eBay Motors.
No, this is Craigslist.
My bad, this is Craigslist.
It's Craigslist.
If you want the best, Craigslist. That's where it's at.
I bought it from a guy whose car did not run, and then he made me take it off.
Was this in some random back alley parking lot?
It was in this sketchy part of town in a garage.
Oh, they won at Six Flags this time?
No, not at Six Flags. He didn't want to ride coasters with me. Don't know where to put this horn after I take it out. Maybe I won't need a horn.
So now what he's doing is removing the engine mount, because you're going to need to drop the engine bay to install your new intake.
Did you know customer service for this intake is actually like completely terrible?
Why did you have to talk to customer service on this intake?
There were some parts missing, and I had to I wanted to talk to customer service so they could send me, extra grommets that were missing, but they didn't pick up. And then I emailed them. Didn't answer emails.
It's weird that you bought a used kit and then called them up, customer service, expecting pieces for something you didn't buy.
I did buy. I paid money for this thing. I remember now that when you install this intake, you can't use your hood prop anymore.
Not when you install an intake, when you install this intake.
You can't use your hood prop anymore. There's nowhere to go. So, the manufacturer suggests you keeping it either in your trunk or in your passenger side seat, so whenever you need to...
Your hood prop?
Yeah, you keep the hood prop either in your trunk or in your passenger side area. Pretty sweet R&D, right? You don't seem too impressed with this.
I'm having a lot of fun. You have no idea. because the best part is you going back and watching this later.
Oh,
Just
seeing the cuts.
No, just being like, why do I have 6 hours of video and I didn't get anything on my car done?
I did get it. It's almost done, man.
So far we have installed 0 screws into this intake.
This is installed. Check this out. Watching?
How much PSI you boosted to, by the way?
What's atmospheric? Like 14.7?
Oh, yeah, let's go with that.
That's atmospheric. Google it.
So with this, you can actually drive your car underwater. Believe it or not. Try it. And comment below how it goes.
Yeah, they didn't give me either. They actually just like
Ignored you.
did not answer.
Is their company still in existence?
Yeah, dude.
That didn't sound good.
Okay. I have extras.
Can't wait to see this edited. Be like, none of this happened. Are you gonna put some hardcore dubstep over this?
Yeah. A bunch of camera shake. In post. So extreme.
Whoa!
So extreme. It's the craziest intake I've ever seen installed.